So this is another orchard area we have over here. I left this area pretty wild, so we didn't chop up any of the wild brush. And one reason is because a lot of chipmunks live in the little mounds here. So I didn't really want to disturb their homes. And they don't mess with our plants or anything. So I wanted to keep the natural habitat that the Mojave brings. So I think I have right now about 20 trees in this area. Does anyone know what bush brush this is? This is all over the property. And since we had so much rain this year, it's finally really green.